Hello guys, hope you are doing great. Today I am going to present you my awesome WordPress maintenance service which is very helpful for website owners who want to achieve the results for which they build their website for. Since 2009, I have been building websites for my clients. I have seen them spending a lot of money and time on their websites, but they could never achieve the results for which they built their website. So they waste all money to hosting, for domain, for developer, and most noteworthy their time. Well, WordPress maintenance service help you in different ways, means keeping your website up to date, and any customization request we'll do that for you. Moreover, we'll analyze all your traffic data from Google Analytics and Search Console to make sure you're getting best traffic your website can. For example, see, we keep your themes up to date, we keep your plugins up to date, and we keep your WordPress up to date without any problem. Your website remains same as it was before updates. Any request of updates, for example, you want to change this customer skincare text, or you want to change the color of background, or you want to change the layout these boxes on your website, or you want to change the service style, anything, all type of edits and customizations we handle with WordPress maintenance service for you without any issue, any responsive issue, any desktop issue, no matter whatever it is. We help you to grow your traffic, we help you to get better on your Alexa rank. See, for our website we have came from 331 ranking to below 200,000 in past 90 days, which is I think very good achievement for us, and we can help you to achieve these things also. uh, as you know, Google have made it mandatory your website should perform best. That's the only condition they will send traffic to your website. They want to serve best results to their users. That's why your website should perform best. We make sure your website perform best on Google Page Insight for desktop, for mobile. We also analyze data on GT metrics and try to achieve best results here also, and on tools.pingdom to website tools. Website performance is not a one-day task. You can't say that today I have done my performance on website and that's enough. That's not enough. As new data coming in, new updates are coming in, new theme settings files are coming in, plugins are coming in. Your website need continuous performance updates. That's the only way your website can perform best and give you the results you want for. After that, we analyze carefully the impressions your website is building. See, my website is building 481 impressions on search engine, Google search engine, but generating only 10k clicks, which means most of my impressions have gone without any clicks. These are the things we can help you. See, pingdom speed test. My website got 2,845 impressions for it, but not a single click. This is the keyword which I can optimize and get some convert these impressions into clicks. Resize layer Photoshop. See, 1358. This is very good number. Furthermore, we make sure there is no errors on your website. Your website is performing best. See, I have 11 pages with errors. If your website have these type of errors, like on for mobile usability, for breadcrumbs, for products, whatever, we'll fix these errors for you. So Google can think you worry about your website, you take care of your website. Then We carefully analyze your Google Analytics data, where your traffic is coming from, and what's the bounce rate, if your visitors are facing any problem, or is there any way you can do better with your website. We always suggest you best things to market your website and best strategies to achieve the traffic for which you built your website. See, if your website is not generating the traffic, then it's useless to spend money and time on it. Hostings are so expensive, developers are so expensive, everything is expensive nowadays. So if you are not getting customers or traffic on your website, then there is no purpose of having a website. So I hope this service can be very helpful, as this service will cover everything a website owner can need for their website, and cost is very low. It's only $29 per month. I hope I think you should try it. And we are also providing free reports, audit reports. Just send us your website here to get your free audit report. Here, your name, your email, your website, and your message. That's it. And we will send you free audit report, which will help you understand what is your website lacking of. Thank you.